Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video we will discuss about what is login as any user in Salesforce. This is an important concept, I would say, being an admin, right? So yesterday when I was working, right, I have worked on this concept. So I thought of sharing it with you. So basically, right, this login as any user is like something, it's like a lifesaver for Salesforce admin. So basically let's try to understand what is exactly is login as any users. So the name itself says you can log in as any user in Salesforce, just to just to check how they are able to see the pages or fields, or you may troubleshoot something. So basically, this is a feature that allows admins to access another user's environment without needing their credentials. You don't need to have a password, or you don't need to have their username, but you can log in into there and you can try to troubleshoot. And why this is important? So as I said, this is a lifesaver, right? This can be used for you in troubleshooting, testing, and support. When I say troubleshooting, right, admins as we can directly experience and fix the issues reported by users. You can log into their environment and you can see what exactly happening. And testing, it lets you verify user permissions, profiles, and workflows. So let's say you got a request and you are able to build it or develop it or enhance it, and then you want to test it because this guy would be this person is uh, an impacted user, so you will see how it is looking for them in that way. And you can also support the users by taking some real-time guidance or support from the user's perspective. So you can think of it as a quick and efficient way to resolve problems, especially when you are managing multiple users and complex configurations. So I assume it in that way. Okay, so let's discuss about a real-time scenario, or else the ticket that I have received yesterday when I was working. So basically, your company, Cloud Tech Solutions, uses Salesforce to manage its sales process. You, as a sales admin, receive the following ticket via your help desk system, stating that ticket detail is unable to edit opportunities, and reporter is Mary Johnson, who would be your sales rep. And description is, I can't edit opportunities assigned to me. I'm getting an error message every time I try to make changes. So basically, right, whenever you're troubleshooting an issue, not only in Salesforce but everywhere, there are two types, right? First, you will take a remote and you will help the user. And the second thing is you will try to replicate the issue from your end. If the issue is replicated, so that must be sure there is something needs to be done on the system backend. If you are unable to replicate, then the issue is something on the user end. So assume this in this way, whenever you work or whenever you support a user in the Salesforce or any technical support, right? So this is something we need to keep in mind. So let's try to understand this. So basically, let's go to our trailhead. Let's go to our org and see hands-on org, and this would be something we will be using. And now let's see opportunities. I'm not sure if we have one or not. Let's see. So we have two opportunities, both are like prospecting. So just assume opportunity owner is this person, Mary Johnson. And let's make it ticket in a way that Mary Johnson is unable to create an opportunity. Let's try to assume like that. So now what we are going to do is we are going to log in as Mary Johnson. So basically you need to go here and click on Mary Johnson. She has a sales profile. just log in as. So it says we have insufficient privileges or insufficient privileges. So what's happening here is we need to enable login as any user first before we jump in. So let me duplicate this. We click on it, setup. And what you can do is you can go to login access policies. So when you click on login access policies, you need to enable this one. So you see here, administrator can log in as any user. So this is the key, and then click on save. So changes have been saved, right? Now let's again try to log in as Mary Johnson. Mary Johnson and login as. Login experience is enabled but not yet. You want to give a try. Okay. So Mary Johnson doesn't have a lightning experience as of now. So this is a classic version of Salesforce, I would say. If you see here, it says logged in as Mary Johnson and the email address or the username, whatever. So now let's try to create an opportunity and create new, and opportunity name is test opportunity and account name new customer. Okay. You see, so the need here is, I mean, the purpose of enabling login as user is you can log in as a user and you can check what exactly happening. For example, in this use case, we have mentioned like I cannot edit opportunities assigned to me. I'm getting an error message. But what we have done here is we have created an opportunity, and when we are trying to edit this, you can edit anything and then click on save. You see, so that means the issue is from Mary Johnson and not from the system itself. So you can define it basically. So yeah, we were able to log in as user, and I think that is it. I mean, I wanted to show you how you can enable it and how we can how you can enable and how you can log in it. So that's what I wanted to show you. And there are some key things that you need to keep in mind when you are working on things related to login as user. So you need to limit the access, and always what happens is in the audit logs, right, you can see every activity like login as any user or anything, and then notify users when you're logging in, because I have logged in here as Mary Johnson, right? It's better in real time. You need to have a word with them. Then only, I mean, the people won't. I mean, the people will build trust on you, and it makes more transparency that you. It proves that you are more transparent with them. And compliance, always follow the company or security and privacy policies when you are using this feature. And I think that's it for this video, friends. And thank you so much for this watching the video. I hope you learned something new about Salesforce. And please do share this video with the fellow Salesforce learners. And until then, right, please do like the video, comment if you have any questions, share this video with the people who want to learn Salesforce, and subscribe to the channel for more future videos. Thank you and have a great day.